Did you know that estate planning isn't just for billionaires? In fact, words like trust and wealth transfer planning have become extremely important in modern financial strategy, even for the middle class. According to experts, safely transferring wealth to the next generation is a long-term strategy, and those who plan ahead can save millions of dollars in legal fees and taxes. In today's in-depth report, we'll discuss important topics like estate planning, trust funds, probate court, capital gains tax, and step-up in basis, and learn how savvy investors legally transfer their wealth. Body, probate and its risks. Most people think that a will is enough. But the real issue is not estate taxes, but the process of probate court. Probate is a legal process in which the court oversees the distribution of a deceased person's estate. This process can take months or years, can cost 3% to 8% in legal fees, can put the family under stress, makes the details of the estate public record. This is why financial experts emphasize the probate avoidance strategy. What is a trust and why is it important? A trust is actually a legal structure in which you give your property a separate legal identity during your lifetime. You then decide how those assets will be distributed after you. Key benefits of a trust. Checkmark avoidance of probate. Checkmark fast asset transfer. Checkmark private and confidential procedure. Checkmark reduction in potential legal costs. Checkmark assistance with Medicaid planning in some cases. If a retired couple has a paid-off house, retirement accounts, and investment portfolio, a revocable living trust can be an effective solution. The most powerful strategy for stock investors. Now let's talk about investors. Suppose you bought shares of a large company at a low price years ago. Over time, their value has increased many times over. If you sell those stocks during your lifetime, you will have to pay capital gains tax. But if those stocks are transferred to your heirs after your death, then under U.S. law, in most cases, a step-up in basis applies. What does this mean? If you bought a stock for $50,000 and its current value is $500,000, then the new value to your heirs after your death will be considered $500,000. If they sell at the same price, the capital gains tax may be negligible. This is why the hold and transfer strategy is considered so important in long-term wealth strategy. High net worth strategy versus average planning. Rich families don't rely on wills alone. They use modern methods such as multiple trust structures, tax-efficient investment planning, intergenerational wealth transfer models, estate freezing techniques. But the good news is that many of these strategies are now accessible to the middle class. Finally, it's important to understand that building wealth is the first step, but transferring it safely is the real success. Early estate planning is crucial to avoid probate costs, capital gains taxes, and legal complications. If you own a home, investments, or retirement funds, learning about trust and tax strategies can be crucial to your family's future. Remember, financial strategy is built on planning, not emotion. And those who plan today provide a secure foundation for their generations tomorrow.